Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the news on the Happy Color application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and if you want to check the news, go to the lower bar and you can find the fourth option, the news, next to the my feed button. Click to the news button, and here you can find different news, for example artist interviews, different coloring page and other. And if you want to check the text, just click to the read more button and you can read the whole interview. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.